Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, if you want to post the content, Instagram and Facebook, there are two steps we have to follow it. I'm selecting one of the website name is called ashokacomputersolutions.com. All the video will making will be here. The video, first of all, prepare the content. What are the content you will be prepared? The content will be selected will be here. After this, what are the content you will be posting? Individual post will be possible in reel, or else one of the best solution will be called business shoot. The previous name is called creator studio. Now click for reel option. What are the reel you will be post on your Facebook and Instagram? The reel will be less than 50 seconds you will be maintained for the reel purpose. Up to 90 seconds they'll accept it, but we are uploading up to we given by the particular 90 seconds option. So before uploading, what are the file name you can utilize will be here. Proper file name you can utilize, that will be click for reel option and add the content along with the hashtags. What are the services you will be providing? Everything that will be here. Click for next and click for next. Finally, click for share option. Before sharing, what are the criteria required? Anything we can check it out, it will be here and click for next and click for next. One more better feature is called anything free music will be required. The music also will accepting by in your particular option. So that all music will given by the for you a particular things. Anything crop text and anything you require add by the in a particular option. See this one. So click for next and click for share. So what are those you can check with every option. Click for share option. We have shared with individual post and comment post will be there. So what is the creator studio and individual post? When a posting will be individual, be careful that when a posting individual time, compulsory we can selecting original. After that, we can selecting for custom thumbnail also. So here is not possible custom thumbnail. So once you are uploading any video into reel option, see this reel. We can selecting for add a video. See here. So we can check it out here in this. They're accepting a custom thumbnail or not. First of all, check it out here. So I'm adding the video 100%. You will fulfill and what are the frames or everything. You can check will be here is the option. It will be at a time two Facebook, Instagram, one thumbnail. But if you're uploading for video Instagram, one thumbnail is the Instagram purpose, another thumbnail for Facebook purpose using for Facebook business shoot option. So what are the reel you will be create? Custom thumbnail we can upload at a time Facebook, Instagram, one thumbnail required. Go to Facebook Creator Studio. Individual thumbnail required. Facebook is separate and upload the Facebook business shoot will be separate post it. So automatically video same, thumbnail will be different, Facebook and Instagram. So this is a future purpose. We can changing for the two parameters under the both content. So follow this method and upload on your channel to increase your particular audience by using particular video option. So custom thumbnail compulsory will accepting on your Instagram and Facebook with the proper guidelines. If any further question, contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.